welcome back to Ice Pani Videos. Today I'm bringing you another traditional Indian recipe. We're going to make sweet pongal. You can have this as a dessert. Today is my dad's birthday, so I am making it for him. Here are the ingredients to make the sweet pongal. Half a cup of rice. Don't use basmati rice. I'm using Sona Masuri rice. Quarter cup of moong dal, half a cup of brown sugar, quarter cup of jaggery, some cashew nuts and raisins for taste, cardamom powder for flavor, 1 cup and 1 cup of milk. You can adjust the brown sugar and jaggery to your taste. And you can adjust the cashew nuts and raisins to how many you like. If you like a lot, you can put a lot, but if you're allergic, you don't have to put them at all. The first step is to wash the moong dal and the rice. Some people like their moong dal and rice to be roasted, but I like my sweet pongal to be smooth. So I am going to wash it several times raw. As you see, I've washed my rice and moong dal well. And I put them in a pressure cooker. Now I'm going to add about 3 cups of water. And I'm going to let them cook for 2 whistles. If you don't have a pressure cooker, you can get one online. My mom and grandma have pressure cookers and it helps to cook your rice and dal faster. While our rice and dal is cooking on the side, we're going to roast our cashew nuts and raisins. I put 2 spoons of ghee onto a pan and I'm going to let it warm nicely. Now I'm going to put the cashew nuts and the raisins. Cook them for 2 to 3 minutes so the raw smell is gone. As you see, the raisins have been turning into balls and the cashew nuts are turning red. So I'm going to turn the stove off and let them sit to the side. The rice and dal is cooked well, but it is very dry. So I am going to add 1 cup of milk. Some people like to add the milk in the pressure cooker while the rice and dal is cooking, but it makes a big mess. So I like to do it this way. While the milk is cooking, I'm going to add a few more ingredients. Sugar, jaggery, and the cardamom powder. If you don't like sugar, you can just add more jaggery and no sugar, and vice versa. But my mom's tip is to do half and half of both so you can get a good flavor. Now for the final step, I'm going to add the raisins and cashew nuts into our rice. Let's mix it and then our pongal is ready. The sweet pongal is ready. As you see, it becomes really thick once you cool it down for a while, and the rice and dal soaks all the water. If you like, you can decorate it with shredded coconut. I hope you like this recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!